7.9 out of 10. We ran the Shark PowerDetect 2-in-1 through the CineTech Data-Driven AI Analytics system, and the numbers don't lie. Imagine paying for a premium robot vacuum that promises 30 days of hands-free cleaning, then watching it get stuck and confused in the middle of your living room. Check the best price from the link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe. So what can this thing actually handle? The PowerDetect runs 5 intelligent cleaning technologies. It detects dirt, edges, floor types, corners, and stuck-on stains, then adapts its suction and mopping automatically. On hard floors, it scores a 9.0. The mopping performance is genuinely effective on everyday messes. And dried on stains. Carpet deep cleaning scores an 8.4. Solid but not class-leading. The never stuck threshold lifting lets it cross obstacles that stop most competitors, and that scores an 8.8. Loose debris on longer pile carpet is a consistent weak spot. It struggles to pull particles deep into thick fibers, and that scores a 6.2. Now daily performance. The NeverTouch base is the headline feature. After every run, it auto-empties, refills the water tank, and hot air dries the mop pad. That level of automation scores a 9.1. Genuinely impressive for the segment. LiDAR navigation maps. Fast, and the Shark app is clean and easy to use. 8.5. But the battery is only 3,200 milliamp hours, roughly half the capacity of the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra and Dream L20 Ultra. On larger homes, it needs to dock and recharge mid-clean, and that scores a 6.0. User experience. The HEPA bagless base means no bags to buy and allergens stay trapped. 8.7. The self-cleaning brush roll is genuinely low maintenance and scores an 8.4. The Shark app is rated highly for scheduling and zone control. 8.5. The navigation, however, is a real problem in open-plan homes and on dark carpets. Reviewers flag it getting lost or circling the same area repeatedly. 6.3. Who is this for? Busy households with mixed flooring score at a 9.0. The NeverTouch dock means genuinely hands-free. For a month, pet owners scored an 8.6. HEPA filtration and self-cleaning brush roll handle dander and hair allergy sufferers score at an 8.5. The bagless HEPA base keeps particles locked in. Owners of large open-plan homes score at a 6.0. Battery and navigation both let it down in bigger spaces. Is it worth it? Mopping and dock automation 9.1. Never stuck crossing 8.8. HEPA filtration 8.7. But battery capacity and navigation in open spaces pull the overall score down to a 6.0. The Shark PowerDetect is not overhyped. It is genuinely good. But at this price, the battery gap versus rivals is hard to ignore. Check the best price from the link in the description, and we will see you in the next one.